What's up everyone, and welcome to Tech Apprentice. In this episode we are going to 3D print a camera mount for my ZMR 250 quadcopter. The model is from Judar and is downloadable on Thingiverse. The one I'm going to print is going to be the camera mount clean thicker. As you can see over here, the reason I'm going to print this one particularly is that all the parts are very thick. There's less chance of it breaking on impact. Yeah, and we are going to print it in this orientation because since it's going to print like this, the top part has less chance of breaking because if we rotate it 90 degrees like this, the lines are going to be in the orientation of the mount itself. So if there is a big impact, there is a chance that the mount will snap over here because of the layers. Yeah, so we are going to print it in that orientation. Layer height 0.2 millimeters, 45 millimeters a second for the print speed, and it's going to be printed in ColorFab PLA. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so I have attached the support on my quad. Sadly, I had filmed it, but the camera did not save the footage, so that sucks a bit. But yeah, it's great. I'll try it on the rubber dampeners, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to be that good of a quality, but I'll check that out and maybe change it a little later. But yeah, for now that's what it is. So thanks for watching, and if you liked the video and would like more 3D printing videos and stuff, just hit the subscribe button, and please like, share, and comment on the video. Have a good one, folks. See you on the next one.